Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be making some spicy air-fried garlic wings with our sur la table air fry oven. Will these be better than restaurant wings? Watch this video and find out. So you ready? Let's get into this. A recipe like this is super simple and you only have a few ingredients. We need 2 pounds of wings. If you're using frozen wings, be sure to defrost those first. You can do that by either taking them out of the freezer and putting them in the fridge for a day, defrosting them in cold water, or in the microwave. For me, I don't like the microwave option because I feel like it sort of makes the meat taste a little bit weird. Need a little bit of avocado oil. You can use whatever type of oil you like, but to make life easier, just make sure you get one that has a high burn temperature. A little bit of an herb combination here. I have granulated garlic, a little bit of salt and pepper in here. And your sauce, you can use whatever you like, but I like this Buffalo Wild Wings stuff. This one's our spicy garlic sauce, and the part that I like is that there's not a bunch of sugar in here or anything like that. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. To start this off, you want to make sure you have your defrosted wings in a large mixing bowl, and then we're going to add in our oil. Be sure to toss that around really good, just to make sure that you get a nice even coating on all of your wings. This is going to be very important because since we're using an air fryer, these aren't going to be getting dipped in oil, so any oil that's not there is going to keep these things from getting really crunchy. And if they're not crunchy wings, they're going to be crappy wings. At least that's how I look at it anyway. And we'll go ahead and add in our herb combination. Keep in mind that there's a lot of herbs in the sauces that you get off the store shelves as well. But the herbs I'm putting in here are going to change the flavor of the meat a little bit because we're going to be air frying them with this stuff on there, and the other sauces go on just at the end. So those will typically just flavor the skin for the most part. And once you got this combined really well, we'll be ready for our next step. Next, we're going to take these wings and load up our rotisserie basket. If you don't have an air fryer with a rotisserie on it, that's fine. You can just put all these wings into your regular air fry basket. Just keep in mind that during the cooking process, you're going to have to take the basket out, shake it up a little bit, and even rearrange your wings a little just to make sure they all cook evenly and they all get fried properly. Now that I got these in here, I'm going to put on the lid and lock it in. Open up the air fryer. If you're using the same air fryer that I am, be sure you have your drip plate installed down on the bottom. Otherwise, you're going to have a long day. Next, we'll go ahead and throw this basket in here. Like so. Close up the machine. Turn it on. And we're just going to hit the wings preset. And once it gets started, be sure to hit the rotisserie button just to make sure that gets started. You can see that according to my air fryer's wings preset, this is set to 400 degrees for 20 minutes. That might be a little bit different for you depending on what machine you're using. So really for this part, if you're using a different machine, you're going to have to do a little bit of experimentation. Now all we got to do is wait. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Once that finishes, we can open this up and remove our basket. Looking pretty good so far. Now we can work on transferring these back into the bowl. Pretty darn good result for an air fryer, huh? Next, all we gotta do is add our sauce.
Tummy likey. Tummy want wingy.
These wings came out really delicious and they're almost indiscernible from restaurant quality wings. The whole process was even easier since I had that rotisserie in the machine. You don't have to worry about even cooking and you don't have to worry about shaking your basket either. If you'd like a little bit more information about the sur la table air fry oven that I used, I do have an Amazon affiliate link to it down in the description of the video. If you buy anything through those links, I do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay, 1 cent. If you like this video, you might like this video right here where I made some really great tuna melts. I did those in a different machine, but you can do those just as easily in this machine as well. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon, and until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.